USB or memory card is not opening or corrupt, or if you want to boot your USB without any software. So let's start to work. Simply follow these steps, and your USB will become booted. First, plug in your USB. Go to Start menu and open CMD. Type disk part and press enter. Here type list disk and press enter. Now you will see your hard drive and USB. Select your USB. Type select disk 1. Now give the command of clean. After cleaning the USB, create partition primary and press enter. Now it's time to format the USB. Give the command that is format fs equals ntfs quick. Now be patient. Your USB is formatting. Wait a while. It's almost done. Now active your USB. And type exit to close the window. You can check your USB. It's now booted.